actually have the hiccups. So I thought I'd make a video for you all. But the thing is, people wanted some burps as well, so I've got some Perrier water, and I'm going to chug it and do some burps for all those people that wanted to hear me burp, which isn't the most pleasant thing, but each to their own. Oh, I'm not a very good burper. Honestly, I'm terrible. Kind of more like hiccups. There you go. Now I'm done. I'm not doing any more burps. It's disgusting. Whew. The Perrier's not helped my hiccups. It's made them a bit worse actually, which is not too bad. I suppose. But seeing as we all like hiccups here. Ow. I'd show you my throat, but I don't want to show my face. Let me try. See if you can see my throat sucking. There you go. Because some people quite like that, you know. Fucking hell. I've got to go out in a minute with these hiccups. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Bye.